Good morning, good morning. Today is the 23rd of February. We are looking at the Nasdaq chart on the weekly chart, where we see that we start the week with a bearish bias on the weekly. After price has taken this liquidity here, we see that relative to this range, price is going from internal range liquidity to external range liquidity to the low here, this one. We have a change in the state of delivery identified by my indicator here with the target on the second feedback, second to 2.5 fib extensions at 23,560. Let's see if price will make its way there. But that's pretty much where we are on the weekly chart. Look at the 4-hour chart. We see how price formed this impulse. Inside this impulse, it swept liquidity here. Not enough to drive the price all the way back up, but enough for price to come back into premium relative to this impulse. And as you can see, it then from internal range liquidity in the form of this balanced price range, it came back towards the low here. Now where are we on even a lower time frame? We are inside this impulse. And inside this impulse, we see that price has swept liquidity here inside this bearish imbalance. And we are going from internal range liquidity towards external range liquidity. I think if I'm doing this impulse range, it's even in the OT area. Yeah, there we go. These two. And currently sitting on the equilibrium of this impulse range. I go to a 15-minute chart. As you can see, price has taken the Asia low and it's going back to internal range liquidity relative to this impulse. Now we are in premium of the 4-hour impulse. We are in discount of this 15-minute impulse. And we see how price is creating a 15-minute change in the state of delivery. On the 5-minute chart, we see how price reacted from this balanced price range in discount of this range, yesterday's range. And now is retracing where to into 50% of this Asia range, and that's right around the 24,933. And overall, I do believe we are going lower on the day. However, we see a retracement now into London. We will need to see what price is going to do at 50% of the Asia range here. If it will continue to Asia high. We do have also a new day opening gap here at Asia high. We need to wait and see. If price comes all the way down up here and inverts that opening gap, we could look for higher prices. And that's mainly because on the 4-hour chart, there is change the state of delivery here, where price has been held the entire week by this gap. And after price after sweeping liquidity here, created this manipulation block and this imbalance, and it's been holding price the entire week last week. Now we see the same reaction, but we are inside this bearish imbalance, and we have this inverted fair value gap on the 4-hour. So we can think of price coming back to retest that and then maybe going back down. I'm not sure if this will get inverted and we see continuation, but that's what I'm thinking. On the other hand, if, as I said, if price is coming back up above this and it's inverting that new week opening gap, we can think of longs towards 25,380. So that's one outcome. The other would be this one. Price is coming back up here, rejects there, inverts that, and we see continued prices towards the lows. Come on. Those are my two outcomes for the week. As I said, intraday, we need to wait and see what's happening with price going towards the new day opening gap and the new week opening gap, as it's Monday. This would have been a good trade in London if you were up at midnight New York time. And that's it for today, and trade safe and take care.